This is Engineering Analysis and Design 1. This is the reverse engineering project. I'm Troy Gillen.
I'm Ian Rothbarth.
I'm Will Turney.
And I'm Jake Wilkins.
And the job for us to do was to make toast.
Done.
Find out everything we could inside of it, and here's our video to show you that.
I like it. Pros and cons, undesirable and desirable characteristics of this Proctor Celux toaster. Okay. Some of the major undesirable characteristics are the fact that it has a very short cable cord for power, and the fact that when you press down on the handle right here, in order to lift it back up, you have to place your thumb at the top to lift it back up. And when you have toast in here, the surface can get very hot and you can burn your thumb, and that's horrible. Some great characteristics about this product are the fact that it's somewhat durable, very easy and portable, easy to use, so basically everybody can use it. It's very aesthetically pleasing, so most people that want it in their kitchen, it should go well with anything they have going on. And another main, very well desirable characteristic to this product is that it's cheap, and a lot of people that like toast and toasted bagels, bread, other products will buy this product simply because it's cheap and efficient. Thank you.
Alright, I'm Troy Gillen again, and I'm going to talk about what we found out about the circuit board and how it applies. So basically the circuit board acts as a timer almost, and as soon as you pull down the handle, this is a stripped version obviously, so the handle has been somewhat just destroyed, so we cannot use that. But as you pull down the handle, there's a metal tab on the bottom of it, and if you look closely, you can see an electromagnet right on top of the circuit board. And when you turn it on, that also turns on the electromagnetism, and so that is what keeps the handle down. And what happens is the power of the electricity runs through the cord and it charges up the circuit board, which is a very simple circuit board, and there's a capacitor on the circuit board. And what happens is when the capacitor reaches a certain voltage, and that happens at a consistent time every time, which is why it acts like a timer. When the capacitor reaches a certain voltage, then it just shuts off power to the toaster and to the electromagnetic. So essentially, capacitor reaches max voltage or the threshold, electromagnet loses its magnetism, and so then the handle and the metal tab are not attracted to each other, which allows it to pop up. And essentially, when the capacitor runs out of time, or when voltage becomes a threshold, that is when the time is up and the bread shoots up when you have toast. So that is what we found out about the circuit board.
I'm going to discuss how the toaster heats the bread. The main functions of the toaster are the nichrome wire, mica sheets, and these coils. So once the electricity travels through the cord into the circuit board, as the handle comes in contact with the circuit board, it heats up the nichrome wire, which heats up the coils using infrared radiation, and that heat is transferred into the bread to toast it. Benefits of the nichrome wire is that it does not oxidize with heat.
Hello again, I am Will Turney, and I'm here to talk to you about the consumer market for the toaster and a few of the pros and cons. This toaster is about $16, and so this is going to be one of the cheaper toasters that you can buy. It's going to be for someone who is possibly on a budget, but just wants to toast some bread. What we found with this toaster was that it claimed to have, even though it's got chrome on the outside, it claims to have cool wall sides so that it won't heat up when it's toasting, and so you don't burn yourself. But we found that after slicing a few slices of bread, this was not really the case, and it got pretty hot. Let's see.